are recording, I believe. Tess Horton, machine operator extraordinaire. Here she goes. Drilling away. I think we're going to need some suction. Let's get that, and then I don't think we're going to be able to talk anymore.